Hello beautiful people, welcome back to the John's Kitchen. In case some of you missed it before, this is our easy pizza dough recipe that will never fail you. First step, dissolve the yeast in the water, then add the salt and mix well. Slowly add the water into the flour, then incorporate until all the water is done. Work the dough with your hands until it starts to become stiff and forms a nice mass. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, guys. Add some oil, knead for 2 to 3 minutes, then transfer to the surface. Continue to knead for 5 minutes. Sprinkle some flour on top and allow to rest for 5 minutes. Work the dough once again for 5 minutes. Cut the dough into 2 parts, then use your hands to roll into 2 fairly even balls. Add 2 tablespoons of oil into the bowl, followed by your dough, and coat well. Cover with cling film, then allow to rest at room temperature for 2 hours. If you guys want to watch the full pizza video, you can find the link above. But for now, it's a goodbye for me. See you soon!